Hello everyone, this is a video for the Screencast-o-matic and Edpuzzle training. This is the first video of two. This first video goes through Screencast-o-matic, how to log in, and just a brief overview on how to go and make a video like the one I'm making right now. So the way I organized this training was on the hub. The first thing we had you do is to do now. So after that is going to be the guided practice 1 and quiz 1. Both are relating to Screencast-o-matic. So the first thing I want us to do is to go to the website. What we're doing is following these steps. And so what I suggest is for you to right click on the link and go to the website. And the second step then is to start recording for free, which is right here. So click on that. The third step is then to launch the free recorder. Okay, so this is where which is located here. This is where I'm going to stop showing you what the website is looking like, because if I click on this, it interrupts the video that I'm already making for you guys. So what I did is going to be going to show you screenshots of kind of some of the screens that you'll see. But what you will do is launch the free recorder. And it'll give you a download, and what you need to do is download the software. So let's move on to the screenshots. So when you download everything, what you're going to see in the bottom right hand corner, which should be down here, is this kind of icon screen. And the main thing when you want to start recording is you want to press this record button, and you should see something where there's a outline of this of where you're recording on your screen. And so what you will do is press the record button. And so you record whatever you want to. I'm going and just showing you things on my computer right now, and you can do the same. And for this particular part of the guided practice and the quiz, all I need you to do is just record something for however long you want to record it, or you can start preparing for an upcoming lesson. When you're done, you should still see the done button here in the bottom left of the screen. And you just click on that, and it should pause your video. And when it pauses your video, it'll come up to a few options. And what you can do is then press the save and upload video part if you like what you've said so far in your video. And when you press that, I suggest you upload it to YouTube. And so what it does is basically when you click on the save upload, it shows you a kind of a preview of what you've recorded, and it gives you opportunities to crop it, only sections that you like, or it gives you a different variety of options to do in terms of the video you just recorded. And the options after you click on save and upload is save it to a few different sites. What I recommend is you upload it to your YouTube account. If you haven't already set one up, you might need to set that up. And when you click on upload to YouTube, you might have to do a few things where you're linking it with YouTube, but you will have this pop up, and you name it whatever you want to name it. Right now, it gave me a pre-label of recording number 11, and I would probably change it to Screencast-o-matic video, and then you publish it. And once you publish it, it goes to YouTube, it goes to your account, and then this pops up. And you've just created a video on the internet. And so this could be of anything that you wanted to teach for an upcoming lesson, so you can flip the classroom. And you can open up where it's on YouTube, or you can copy the link. And if you want to go and see yourself and hear yourself speak, you can go and open up where it's located. But going back to the hub, that finishes up basically all the steps that are here for the guided practice. And so then when you go and do the quiz, which is here and here, and so you can right click on that. This is where you will come and submit your link. And so what you just need to do is copy that link, and then In this section here, you will be submitting, your screen will look different. That's where you'll submit that link. And all you just have to do is copy it and paste it there. So that is objective number one for you guys. That is to make your own video of some sort, upload it to YouTube, and then you basically copy that link and save it to the quiz section here.